Hello students, today I will discuss the nutritional mode or the process of nutrition in Paramecium. So our today's topic is nutrition in Paramecium. Paramecium is known as slipper animal. Slipper, why slipper? Because it looks like just our slippers. So this is known as slipper animal here. So let us discuss its structure. So Paramecium looks like this kind. They have uh, various hair-like projections outside their body. This hair-like projection is known as cilia. It is also its locomotory organ. So if we talk about the locomotory organ of Paramecium, it is cilia. Then it has two nucleus inside its body. A big nucleus, it is known as macronucleus. A small one known as micronucleus. It has also lysosomes in its body, and it has this kind of structure in its body surface. This groove-like structure, or this part of its structure, is known as oral groove, and the smaller one is known as anal groove. In previous class, when I discussed the nutrition mode of amoeba, we learned that amoeba don't have any definite structure, but Paramecium have a definite structure. In amoeba, the plasma membrane formed finger-like projections known as pseudopodia. Pseudopodia is locomotory organ in amoeba. Whereas in Paramecium, the locomotory organ is cilia. The pseudopodia can be formed in any part or any surface area in amoeba's body, but the Paramecium have a special oral groove in fixed area and a special anal groove in another fixed area. The ingestion process actually occurs in this area, and the egestion process occurs in this area. So when Paramecium senses that its food is somewhere nearby, so it is actually Paramecium. We found Paramecium in water bodies, like some small part in water bodies, or like the waterlogged area, or the waterlogged hole we can found in Paramecium on those areas. So when Paramecium feels that the food is somewhere nearby, the cilia, it undulates its cilia to reach to the nearest part, or to reach nearby its food material. When it reaches nearly the food material, actually ingested by this oral groove. Food material ingested in this oral groove. After the food material ingested in this oral groove, or after the ingestion process happens, lysosome fuse with this oral groove and the enzymes are released here. When the enzymes released, this complex material is turned into the simpler ones. Then the simpler food material absorbed in the paramecium's body. Absorbed food material then assimilate in its body for energy requirements or forming the body parts. And after those processes, the undigested food material is thrown outside the body of the paramecium by this anal groove. So the 5 major steps of digestion is just same in amoeba or in case of paramecium. The main difference is that the amoeba has no definite structure. It has pseudopodia for engulfing the food, but the paramecium have definite structure and it has particular oral groove for ingestion of food and anal groove for ingestion of the undigested food material.